We don't sell any propane, but we do pretty much everything else. Our company began by our grandparents in 1969 by building bulk plants and standby facilities, and that ended up into service work on bulk plants, service work on bulk trucks, eventually building bulk trucks and meter proving and anything to do in the propane industry except sell propane. We're a wholesale distributor for companies such as Rego and Blackmer and LC Meters. And yeah, that portion of the business is called IPS equipment. A lot of just about us and what we do. We've had some people interested in our evacuation systems. That seems to be the most popular thing going on with our business as far as new business goes today. A lot of it talking about plant maintenance and repairs and that type of thing. Everybody's interested in, new ways to grow gallons. Of course, that's the number one topic. There's been a little bit more safety talk and plant maintenance, as I said before, talk that I'm interested in. The acquisitions and the changes in the propane industry certainly are huge. It's a lot different than it used to be.